Co-developed by Custom Building Products and top commercial contractors, CustomTech is the industry's most advanced flooring preparation system. Superfluid self-leveling underlayments with unmatched performance are the foundation of the CustomTech line. These rapid curing levelers are engineered for strength and extra heavy-duty service under all floor coverings. Superior handling characteristics and outstanding flow retention deliver precise placement to keep the work moving. CustomTech levelers are easy to use and can be scaled for projects of any size. Innovative formulas featuring low prep technology can eliminate the need for shot blasting and cut down the floor prep timeline. Or speed project completion with early stage leveling. This system controls moisture and flattens floors over young concrete before exterior walls are even in place. CustomTech offers a leveling solution for every job site challenge, from 3-inch deep pours to surfaces that can stand up to trade traffic. Meet the workhorse of the CustomTech system, High Flow Tech Level 150. This premium self-leveling underlayment provides excellent handling and exceptional flow retention. Apply its unique crack-resistant formula up to 1.5 inches deep per lift. Tech Level 150 cures fast and develops high early strength for quick installation of flooring. And Tech Level 150's low prep technology eliminates the need for shot blasting. With fiber-reinforced Tech Level WSF, there's no need for lath over plywood or OSB on wood-framed subfloors. This state-of-the-art high-flow leveler is compatible with radiant heat systems and exceeds ASTM and TCNA requirements. Tech Level WSF can also be used in place of backerboard or over non-wood subfloors. Tech Level XP1 delivers superior performance and abrasion resistance in a high-flow, low-prep formula. A compressive strength over 5,500 psi makes Tech Level XP1 ideal for use in hospitals, commercial kitchens, and industrial settings. Engineered for resistance to trade traffic during construction, Tech Level XP1 can be placed up to 2 inches per lift to protect floor coverings in high-impact environments. High-performance Tech Level HPT is designed for fast-track resurfacing and smoothing of interior substrates. This exceptionally smooth topping can be sealed to create a wear surface for commercial, light industrial, and residential applications. Multi-purpose Tech Level HPT produces a durable surface that hardens quickly for walkability in as little as 2 hours. CustomTech primers create a strong bond to the substrate and are critical to a successful installation. Versatile Tech Prime A can be used over virtually any substrate. This multi-surface advanced acrylic primer sets a new standard for performance. Tech Prime A's high solids formula is faster and easier to apply than typical primers. Tech Prime A performs equally well on porous and non-porous surfaces, is ideal over concrete, and offers outstanding value. For heavy and dynamic loading over non-porous substrates, specify Tech Prime E, a low-viscosity, 2-component 100% solids epoxy primer. Tech Prime E is formulated to penetrate the surface. Tech Prime E delivers excellent performance over concrete for demanding installations. To control concrete moisture vapor emissions and alkalinity beneath finished flooring, apply Tech MVC before priming. This single-coat low-viscosity barrier can be applied on concrete up to 100% relative humidity, 25 pounds MVT, and a pH of 14. Prevent problems like bond failure and crumbling with a durable system eligible for up to a 25-year warranty. When it comes to subfloor preparation, count on CustomTech, the comprehensive system featuring low prep technology. Visit us online at CustomTechFlooring.com or call us at 800-272-8786.